Hello friends, welcome back to our channel once again. So in this video, I am showing you a super special summer drink, nothing but our mint lime juice. So it is very easy and very quick drink, which is perfectly suitable for our summer weather, and it is best for dehydration and best for glowing skin also. So definitely you all should give a trial and mention your comments. Before getting to the video, those who have not subscribed the channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell button. So here you can see the mandatory ingredients are only three ingredients, that is nothing but mint leaves, lime and sugar. So apart from this, we even can add ginger while grinding the mint leaves. We will be going to grind this mint leaf. So ginger is an optional ingredient. If you like the taste of ginger, as I'm going to serve this to my kids, I'm not adding here. So I have taken handful of some mint leaves, one big lemon and sugar here. So these all three ingredients, two ingredients, I'm going to grind it now. So I'm shifting all the mint leaves, finely washed and cleaned mint leaves into a mixer grinder, and I am adding enough sugar. It is not enough sugar. You can say it is little high sugar only because I'm planning juice for serving four people. And one more thing, the best part of this juice is you can make the juice in the morning itself and you can store in the refrigerator. And like a full day, you can have 3 to 4 glasses of these mint juice, which is very best for summer season. Instead of sugar, if you'd like to add, you can add honey also. So here I am giving a thorough grind to this and I made a paste out of it. So now we are going to add this paste to water. So you can see here, as I told you, I have taken little high quantity of water as it is for a full day. I have planned for my kids for the full day. So to this, in this particular this one, you can even add, if you like the taste of pepper and salt, you can add a pinch of salt and one tablespoon of pepper also. It will enhance the taste of this juice actually. So this juice, and in this part of time, if you want, you can add the sugar if it is little less, and mix it thoroughly. Then we are going to add the third ingredients, which is nothing but our lemon. As the quantity of water is more, I have taken a full lemon here. So you can see here. And anyways, we are going to strain out this juice once again. So I am not taking out any lemon seeds from that. I'm just going on squeezing the lemon into the water. So as I said, I have taken one full lemon here for this quantity water. And now I'm going to strain out all this water to take out all the lemon seeds and mint leaves and all. So after which our super special summer drink is ready. You can directly serve it with the ice cubes. So it is very, very easy in process. And as I said, you can give a trial. I mean, you can make it in the morning itself and store it. And just give a trial for 2 days. You will get to know the difference of dehydration levels and the skin glowing and all. You feel very active also. So hope you all will give a trial to this, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel and mention your comments. Thank you so much.